Getting ready for your driving test, or just want to refresh your knowledge of road signs? This video is here to help. We'll challenge you with a quiz to see how well you know the signs and make sure you're fully prepared for the road ahead. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more helpful content. Let's jump in. Question 1. What does this road sign indicate? B. Turn left ahead. Question 2. What does this road sign mean? A. No parking zone. Question 3. Can you identify this road sign? A. County route marker. Do you know which sign is the pedestrian's crossing sign? Question 5. What does this road sign represent? A. Interior lane shift right. Question 6. What does this sign indicate? No parking zone. Question 7. What does this sign tell drivers? Pedestrians crossing. Question 8. What does this road sign mean? Turn left ahead. Question 9. Can you identify this road sign? A. Bicycle lane ends. Do you know which sign is the deer crossing sign? Question 11. What does this road sign mean? C. No stopping middle. Question 12. What does this road sign indicate? B. Bike lane. Question 13. Can you identify this road sign? C. Question 14. What does this road sign mean? Deer crossing. Question 15. What does this road sign indicate? Bike lane. Question 16. What does this road sign mean? No stopping middle. Question 17. What does this road sign indicate? C. Uneven road. Question 18. What does this road sign mean? Motor vehicles except solo motorcycles prohibited. Do you know which sign is the no U-turn sign? Question 20. What does this road sign indicate? B. School bus stop ahead. Question 21. What does this road sign mean? C. Straight through and right turn. Question 22. What does this road sign indicate? Narrow underpass. Question 23. Can you identify this road sign? School bus stop ahead. Question 24. What does this road sign indicate? Straight through and right turn. Question 25. What does this road sign mean? It is C, airport sign. Question 26. What does this road sign indicate? B, equestrians permitted. Question 27. What does this road sign mean? A, clearance warning sign. Do you know which sign is the gasoline sign? Question 29. What does this road sign indicate? C, caribou crossing. Question 30. What does this road sign mean? Clearance warning sign. Question 31. What does this road sign indicate? Gasoline. Question 32. Can you identify this road sign? Caribou crossing. Question 33. What does this road sign indicate? C, stop. Do you know which sign is the narrow underpass sign? Question 35. Can you identify this road sign? B, halt at major road ahead. Question 36. What does this road sign indicate? B, no U-turn. Question 37. What does this road sign mean? C, a metric conversion sign. Question 38. Can you identify this road sign? Halt at major road ahead. Question 39. What does this road sign indicate? Stop. Question 40. What does this road sign mean? A metric conversion sign. Question 41. Can you identify this road sign? B, entrance to a motorway service area. Question 42. What does this road sign indicate? A, truck entrance. Question 43. What does this road sign mean? B, left bend. Question 44. Can you identify this road sign? C. Do you know which sign is the crossroad or junction with priority from right sign? Question 46. What does this road sign mean? Vehicular traffic must turn left. Question 47. Can you identify this road sign? Truck entrance. Question 48. What does this road sign indicate? Entrance to a motorway service area. Question 49. What does this road sign mean? B. Checkerboard. Do you know which sign is the quayside or riverbank sign? What does this road sign mean? B. Solo motorcycles prohibited. Can you identify this road sign? A. Water protection area. What does this road sign indicate? B. Road narrows on both sides. What does this road sign mean? Solo motorcycles prohibited. Can you identify this road sign? Water protection area. What does this road sign indicate? Checkerboard. What does this road sign mean? B. School crosswalk. What does this road sign indicate? A. No longer drive on the shoulder. Do you know which sign is the steep ascent sign? Question 52. Can you identify this road sign? C. Yield the right of way. What does this road sign indicate? B. Side road ahead. What does this road sign mean? Yield the right of way. Can you identify this road sign? No longer drive on the shoulder. What does this road sign indicate? Side road ahead. Great job on testing your road sign knowledge. Understanding these signs is a big step toward becoming a confident and safe driver. Keep practicing, stay sharp, and always follow the rules of the road. Check out more videos to keep learning.